I wish they had this engine in the vintage, huh? So last time I demoed a Challenger, the camera had an issue with recording sound. Hopefully it won't do that jinx again this time. Boy, oh boy, they like giving you a lot of information, don't they? Look at all that on that screen. Brakes feel good. Now, how do you change the station? So you just have to reach up and touch it. This one has a trunk on the back. The gentleman said that it was an accessory. Suspension feels good. Cruise going. Let's see what's going on here. There we go.
Bring home limited time big buys like our Home Expressions quick dry bath towel. Only
you know what? When you're wearing a full face, you really cannot tell. How do you adjust the right move? There we go. Let's go to sport. Get a little warmth on the right leg a bit. It's unusual. Throttle must be off to change mode, really. There's a little, you can't tell, there's a little loading scroll wheel that comes in until you like pull the clutch. Funny. Let's drop this windshield down, see how that feels. Oh yeah, makes quite a bit of difference. Too bad the display doesn't like change color or something when you're in sport mode, other than it says sport mode in the upper left corner. There's a little print too. Wow, now. Listen to that exhaust note, huh? Can you hear it? That blah, 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 blah. I'm not mistaken, the air filter's under the tank in the frame. Not too keen about that. I like to be able to do a lot of my own maintenance. You know, the simpler things, you know, like oil changes, air filter change, things like that, you know, simple stuff. See how it does at interstate speed with a big truck ahead of us. They definitely got room on this beast. Stretch out.